Hello, Wildcats. This is Miss Ivy here for Monday's Marvelous Book Talk. Today I'm sharing with you The Testing. I know you've got some pretty big tests coming up, so I wanted to share a book with you about testing. This is a completely different kind of testing. So, they always say keep your friends close, but your enemies closer. Well, it's kind of hard for our main character to do when her friends and her enemies might actually be the same people. So the war has left the planet and their community a complete wasteland. And now the future belongs to the next generation of select people that are chosen to join the university. It is a very elite group that goes through a very intensive round of testing to see if they have what it takes to be a leader of the new United Commonwealth. So our main character, Sia, is so excited that she has been picked to join the university. And then the night before she leaves, her dad gives her a little bit of advice, but it's kind of in a secret message. He tells her, trust no one. So then she starts to wonder, does that mean that she can't trust her teachers? Does that mean that she can't trust her lifelong friend Thomas that she has known since she was a child? Each day that she goes through the testing, it gets harder and harder, and she begins to wonder if her dad's message is actually right. So to find out if Sia makes it through the testing and if she will actually become a new leader of the Commonwealth, read The Testing. This is Miss Ivy coming at you from your Wayside Library.